Dude, this guy broke down. He's trying to change the crank sensor. He's told me he's gonna lift this up with a forklift. So it is. I thought he was joking. He said, "Oh no." Oh, this is gonna be gold. I never seen nothing like this before. He said I'll lift my cab up three inches with a forklift. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Let's see if we got anything.
Yeah, there's a lot of room. Shit. Wow. You can't make this shit up, guys. Welcome to this motherfucker, man. The body mounts on that side is clearly fucking gone. He's gonna look at this side. Dude, I'm gonna be scared driving in the truck with this guy, dude. Going around and trying to think the fuck cab's gonna fall off. Whole cab moving up the I've never saw that done before. I mean, he didn't even unloosen the mounts, just lifted this shit straight up. So that side shot, this side shot. Dude, this thing's so unsafe, gee.